So, see me doing a lot of things. Now it's Rubik's Cube. So let's do it. Come on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ito. So let's go na first.
Oh, make line mo to. Ito, tsaka yung yellow sa baba.
What?
Ito yung yellow. This three yellow plus yung yellow na yun.
I will put this thing over here. And I'm gonna wait. And it will be like this.
Put it back.
And put it back now.
Show
See?
mo sa kanila.
You might not see that. So let me lap at it. So you can see it. See?
Okay na. Ay, tingnan natin yung ibang yellow.
Now they will see the next yellow. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. If you want to see what you can make because I'm going to do that.
Apo. Line mo lang yung yellow.
Nasaan yung yellow? So, it's like this, see? Now let's turn it around. Now it's like this. And let's move the next one back. And the yellow is complete. Mama, and the next one, yung next, Mama, yung next, blue and red. Blue first. Mama, blue. Blue yung second. So, then just wait. You can buy filter water.
Mahirap na ito. O, pagsamahin mo ulit yung yellow.
Isama ko na naman yung yellow, right? Guys, you can might see.
No, sa baba mo na. Yan.
You might
Ito
see
muna.
it is right. No, wrong. Guys, see?
Ito,
So,
twist mo to. Ito,
so I need to twist
no,
this.
Ganyan lang, ganyan.
So let's use this. So it's like this, guys, and fold it up and wait.
Buo mo na yung
Tada!
twist mo yan up.
And
Tingin, show mo yung blue. Kung nagpo-form na yung blue.
now look at the blue. It's almost forming. It should be like this. When I was making it like this, I was upside down. So I will give it to my mom. So you can make a pahina first.
You pause up, pwede naman i-pause yun.
Wait lang. Papa-rest na. You might see everything has viral, but me.
Oh, ibalik mo lang. Ibalik mo lang sa yellow. Dapat may cross. Balik mo full yung yellow. Tapos pakita mo sa taas yung white kung dapat may cross.
It is a cross, right? The white, see?
Next step. Next step, you should
Next step.
Dapat this one is the same color. The top, center, same color.
Same color. I don't know, but when you hear what my mom hears, then goes
same color.
same color.
Now we will fix it.
My mom is gonna fix it over there. Okay. Here. Say hello. Maganto So that's what. Oh, sorry. So that's my mom.
Tingnan mo. Buuin mo ulit yung yellow.
So I need to bow again the yellow. Okay. So the 12. I'm gonna make you a second to like and subscribe and comment whatever you want. I'm gonna make my fingers to 5, okay? Okay? So if it gets to 5, dapat you need to be done like clicking and subscribing and commenting whatever you want. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! And ano nagagawa ko, Mama? Tapos ko na. And I have like go to here.
Oh, and you can see it's already forming the blue.
It is forming the blue. And the red one just almost there. And the green. And the orange. And the blue. Wait.
And the white on top.
And the white on top here.
Bakit naman top ah?
And in the top is the cross.
Okay na.
So when is like go down if you want to get a secret present when it is your birthday, just go to my place. Mine is Irisan. And the next one, I'm in Felix, Mines Elementary School.
This one. You put this one to that.
So I'm gonna put this one here.
And then
See?
fold the yellow. Complete
And
the
I'm
yellow.
gonna
Complete the yellow.
complete the yellow.
Oh,
And
patingin
see,
yung sa
guys.
taas. Kung malapit na.
Now see the
We
white.
only have 2. 2 left.
2 left. So it's 7. What is the time on you guys? So you might want to say why this is so matagal, because we're just finishing the Rubik's Cube. Too hard and Mama is just finishing it.
You finish the yellow.
Finish
This
the-
one. Ay, the yellow. The white. This to this.
I know it. And see guys, here I'm gonna
Oops, sobra. Yes.
And
And
I'm
then
gonna-
twist. Complete mo na.
and I'm gonna in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Now look, it's the small spins. Great job!
Stop na. Para na-save mo nila.
So can you see it?